Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how DNS and split-brain DNS work. To start off, we're going to be looking at how the workstation here can find the odawa.us server. So, first of all, you type odawa.us into your web browser, and then your workstation would send out a query asking first our DNS over here where our DNS server is kept. Hey, do you know where odawa.us is? And if the DNS web server has it stored in the cache, then it will output back to our machine, yeah, I know where that's at. It's at an address that's out on the web page, and it would give us that address. If the information cannot be found in the DNS cache on the machine, it then sends out a query across the internet all the way to the root name servers. There are 13 total root name servers. They don't know the answer, however, they point us to the top level domain servers, and these top level domain servers, they know how to find the answer. The top level domain servers, they look at the end of the website, which in our case is .us, and they look at it and they send us to the .us server. So we end up at this server here. The US server then points us in the direction of, I don't know what the odawa.us website is, however I know where to find it. So it then sends us across here to the authoritative servers on odawa.us to finally bring back the IP address back to our machine down here. Next, we're going to be looking at the process of when a home user wants to connect to our website. So first, the home user sends out a DNS query through our router, and it goes to, instead of the servers up here, it goes to our IPS DNS server and ask, hey, do you know where the website is at over here? And if it does, it will say, yes, I do, and will come back to our home user and give them the IP address to the DNS website. Now, if the internet service provider's DNS does not have the information we're looking for, next it will go to the root servers out on the internet. The root servers do not know where our address will be, so it will send us to the top level domain servers so they can look at the end of our request. So for the example in our website, the website we will have be a .com server. So the root will send us to the .com servers. From the .com servers, it will send us the address to DNSE1 and DNSE2. DNSE1 and DNSE2 are the authoritative name servers for the website, or .com website. So we send the request to both DNSE1 and DNSE2, and whichever one of these gives us a response first is the one we take. So the response will be the IP address, which will be sent back to our home user number 1 over here. The home user then takes the IP address that it's received and goes to connect to our website, going across the internet, back in and around, and it connects to the public IP address of our website. It does not have access to the private range inside of the DNS server over here, only to the public addresses. So if we were trying to find where our website was located, and we're trying to get there from our workstation, we would first send a DNS query from our workstation to our DNS server here. And of course our DNS server would know where our website was because they're on the same machine. As an overview today, we took a look at how DNS works. We learned how information gets from our workstation to the servers out on the internet back to our workstation for web pages to load and other things like that. We also took a look at how the home user can access pages out on the internet and how it connects to our website over here. Thanks for watching.